Listen to me. If you are still putting your faith and your hard-earned money into a traditional 401k, you are essentially gambling with your grandkids' inheritance. President Trump just signed an executive order that is going to fundamentally reset how we think about retirement in this country. They are calling it the Trump IRA. And it's not just a new account, it's a signal that they think the old system is broken. We are talking about high fees, lack of access for 56 million workers, and a system that keeps the average American stuck. Today, I'm sharing with you the wealth reset that is happening right under your nose. I'm going to show you how to take advantage of this new system so that you aren't just surviving, you are dominating. This is the Noelle Randall way. Let's get into this. Let's go.
Noelle. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, or you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
So let's get right into this. You need to come to the Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp on May 16th, 2026. It's a Saturday. This is a boot camp where I'm going to teach you exactly how to get business funding and how to get that into income generating assets, no matter what business you have or what business you want. Get your tickets right now at Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp. We are selling our final tickets. Use code FINAL50 to save 50% off the last tickets. All right, let me get into this. There is a hidden tax on your dream. Let me tell you about a student of mine. Let's call her Maria. Maria worked in HR for 15 years. She did everything right. She maxed out her 401k. She lived below her means and she thought she was set. But when we sat down and looked at her statements, she realized that she was being robbed in broad daylight. She was paying the average 401k fee, which is about 1.26%. That sounds like a small number, right? Wrong. Over her career, that small number was going to cost her over $139,000 in lost wealth. That's money that went to her Wall Street money managers instead of going into her retirement fund. When I went through my own financial reset many years ago, back when I lost it all and I was staring at bankruptcy, I realized that the safe path is often the most dangerous. The Trump IRA is designed to fix this, capping fees off at 0.15%. Maria switched her focus. She used my business credit strategies to buy her first rental property. And now she makes more in a month than her 401k was gaining in a year. That is the power of being the CEO of your own life. So let's compare the 401k to the Trump IRA. Now, why is this a reset? Because the 401k has three major problems. 1, high fees. 2, lack of portability. And 3, it's locked behind an employer. The Trump IRA changes the game. Number 1, access for everyone. Even if you're an Uber driver or a freelancer, you're in. Number 2, portability. It's linked to you, not your boss. You move, it moves. Number 3, low minimums. You can start with just $5. Number 4, the free money match. The government is offering a match up to $1,000 a year for those who qualify based on income. But here is the Noelle Randall twist. While the government is offering you free money to put into the stock market, you have to look at the bigger picture. This plan is estimated to inject up to $68 billion into the stock market. As an investor, I want you to be where the money is moving. But you also have to realize this free money is not coming out of thin air. So let's talk real talk. The U.S. government is facing a $2 trillion deficit. They are spending more than they make. So how do they fund $1,000 match for millions of people? They borrow it and then the Fed prints it. But when they print money, your salary, your dollar loses value and your savings lose power. This is called inflation. But here is a secret that wealthy people know. Inflation makes investors richer. This is why I scream from the rooftops about real estate and business credit. When you own hard assets, properties that produce cash flow, and you use bankable business credit to acquire them, you are hedging against the very inflation that the government is creating to fund those accounts. You are essentially using the wealth reset to catapult yourself into millionaire and billionaire status. Do you get that? Essentially, you have assets, you have real estate. As rents go up, you charge more to your tenants and so on and so on. You just get richer. Investors get richer with inflation. So here is your action plan. This new system is designed to kick off in 2027. So you have a window right now to get your house in order. Step 1, stop the bleeding. Check your current 401k fees. If you are paying over 1%, you are funding someone else's yacht. Step 2, get bankable. Use this time to build your business credit. When the stock market gets that $68 billion injection, volatility will go up. Volatility creates crashes, and crashes create millionaires. You need to have the capital ready to buy when things go on sale. Think about it. When there are foreclosures and people's losing their homes and you can get properties for pennies on the dollars, you want to already have the cash available in your business's name to acquire all of those assets that will go up in value again. You get valued assets at a discount. That is the perfect plan. And that is what I teach you at the Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp, plus how to get those fundings in your business's name, how to build business credit, and how to repeat this over and over again so that you never have to worry about any market changes or whatever is going on in the economy. You have tons of money in your business's name and you have multiple streams of income and you have tangible assets that are cash flowing. Get your tickets right now at the Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp so you can learn all of how to do this. It's a full day of learning on May 16th, 2026. It's virtual. You can attend from your phone, your laptop, your computer. It's all virtual. You don't even have to travel. Again, growyourwealthbootcamp.com. Use code FINAL50. We are selling our final tickets. You can get them for 50% off by using code FINAL50. So go to growyourwealthbootcamp.com right now, use code FINAL50 and get your tickets right now. These tickets are almost sold out and this is so much information that can really take you to the next level. One more thing. Step 3 is owning the market. Whether it's through the total stock market or the S&P, you need to own where the money is moving. Most people can't invest because they don't have the capital. And again, at the Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp, I will teach you how to get all of the capital that you need in your business's name to actually buy income producing assets. And I will talk to you more about which assets to buy in detail because it's a full class. It comes with scripts, templates, documents, resources, contracts. We give you lots of things to actually implement on everything that I teach at the bootcamp. History is about to be made. And the people who win are the ones who don't wait for the news to tell them it's okay to act. If you want a specific guide and training on how to be a bankable business that can survive and thrive through this 2027 reset, click my link in the description box to come to the Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp and use code FINAL50 to get these last tickets with 50% off. I have laid it all out for you and I want to see you at this all-day event. Again, right from your computer or your phone. You don't have to travel anywhere to get all of this amazing information to take advantage of this reset. You can do it. I want to see you there. I believe in you. Why? Because I want to make sure that you have all of the knowledge, all of the tools, and all of the resources that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.